Never take out the strawberry seed. Put it directly into the soil, otherwise he will. Day 10. Strawberry seeds are just starting to germinate and drill out of the soil. The newly grown strawberry seedlings are very small. If you don't look carefully, many people mistake it for a weed and pull it out. The 30 strawberry seedlings begin to grow true leaves. Leaves spread out. It looks like a small palm, and it's interesting to watch how it grows. In order to have access to more light, perform photosynthesis, it has to keep growing more leaves, absorb light energy that empowers carbon dioxide and water. As long as a leaf grows and spreads out, another leaf will take over, and it gets bigger and bigger. The upper left corner is the number of days. It has been 97 days. This strawberry successfully bloomed its first flower. Time is passing. New leaves are coming out. And the little strawberry white flowers. It's blooming. After successful pollination, strawberry fruit starts to grow. Many people don't know strawberries are a unique aggregate fruit. The edible part of it, it's actually the flesh that develops from its receptacle. And the real fruit, it is a dense tree fruit on the surface. Each fruit contains a seed. The number can reach hundreds. When strawberries change from green to red, it's mature. Strawberries can be grown from seeds. It takes more than 150 days to eat. That's a long time. You don't have the patience. It's better to change the way. Teach you to grow more and bigger strawberries at home. Bring scissors first. Go to the neighbor's house to borrow some strawberry grape essence. As are planting seedlings, find a piece of aloe vera and peel it off. Scrape the aloe vera meat into the water with a knife. Put the root of the strawberry grape essence into the water. Soak for 2 hours. Aloe vera is a natural rooting hormone. Not only can it promote root, it has antimicrobial properties. Time to soak strawberry seedlings. We went to the supermarket to buy a few bottles of large mineral water. Leave the bottle after drinking. Take out the electric soldering iron and simply modify it. No soldering iron. You can also use scissors. Open two windows like this on the side of the bottle. The bigger, the better. Open some drainage holes at the bottom to prevent water accumulation and rooting. This is a container for growing strawberries. Potted strawberries are most important for soil. We use soaked coconut bran, rice husk, earthworm. Mix them well and it's good nutrient soil. If there is not enough soil, you can also mix in some pastoral soil dug by the roadside. This time, strawberries are planted and ready to be hung for planting. The advantage is that it saves space, and it has better ventilation. It can reduce the breeding of some pests and diseases. But there's a catch. If planted on the balcony, when watering, it will leak all over the floor. Transplanting strawberries needs to be careful not to plant too deep. Otherwise, it will cause rotten hearts and dead seedlings. Of course, it is not advisable to plant too shallow. Rhizomes exposed are not easy to produce heart root. Should make the top of the heart sutra. The base of the bud is flush with the soil surface. Do not bury your heart. Shallow burugan. After transplanting, water the fixed roots thoroughly. It's down to time. 2 months later, the fresh flowering strawberries have swollen and turned red. During the period, one is ripe and we will pick one. Otherwise he will rot soon, or being washed by birds. I want strawberries to keep blooming and bearing fruit. Water and fertilizer must keep up. Every 7 to 10 days. Spray potassium dihydrogen phosphate at a concentration of about 3/1000ths of a can make strawberries bloom more buds. 3 months later. Look at this tempting strawberry, all red and big. It is no worse than what is sold in the fruit store outside. Own strawberries. It's healthier than it is in the strawberry field. You can also get a full sense of achievement when harvesting, if it's okay. We picked it on a sunny afternoon. Ripe strawberries, then they will taste even sweeter and more delicious. In general, strawberries are particularly suitable for household potting. It can even be used as a pot of green plants for maintenance, as long as there is sunlight on the balcony. Can touch the fruit. Did you learn it? Follow planting. Share more novel and interesting planting methods.